चालू कर दिए।
So we will now look at some of the other steps here. Uh, the Monte Carlo simulation engine is called a soft Monte Carlo simulation. The reason for that is we have got just last 10 years of history. So we have got like 40 quarters, and the quarters that we are projecting are 20. So we are only virtually adding the disturbance from the Monte Carlo simulation, and that is the reason why we would deseasonalize the data, because seasonal changes are not really the disturbance, and they don't really add to the volatility. So the deseasonalization part based on the quarters are important. So the formula for deseasonalization would look something like you will give weights of seasonal index. So sales in a particular year divided by the average sales of the year. Sorry, sales in a particular quarter divided by the average sales of the year. That would give you the seasonal index. Now we'll use this seasonal index to project the future and also clean the data before calculating the alpha and the beta, which is the slope and the intercept. But we are not going to use the slope, which is the beta, for our projections, because we would be using the numbers given to us by consensus. So in that respect, we are mixing the Monte Carlo simulation engine, which is a soft Monte Carlo, because the points are less. We are just using AR1. We'll mix that with the projection. So ultimately what we are getting is a very simple and easy to understand model that would give us around 100 or 1000 paths of how the things would go in the future. So in that respect, this is a soft Monte Carlo simulation. It's not that hard, and the beauty lies in the simplicity of this model. It's just AR1. Well, we'll say that the disturbance of a quarter is, sorry, where the result of a quarter is dependent on the last quarter, and we'll add those disturbance. So in that respect, this is a relatively simple model that we are going to use.
लोग जो